Amara the African Elephant. English with Miss Julia. These stories are designed to assist your English learning. Learn new vocabulary and remember to practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Amara was born under the warm African sun on a wide open savanna. Her herd stood around her, protecting her as she took her first steps. Her mother gently guided her with her trunk. From the very beginning, Amara was surrounded by love and safety. As a young calf, Amara stayed close to her mother every day. She learned to follow the herd across the land. The older elephants taught her where to find water. She listened carefully and learned very quickly. The savannah was full of life and color. Amara saw birds flying high in the sky. She watched zebras running across the grass. Every day brought something new to discover. Amara loved to play with the other young elephants. They splashed water and rolled in the mud. Their laughter echoed across the plains. Playtime helped them grow strong and happy. During the dry season, water became harder to find. The herd had to walk long distances. Amara grew tired, but kept moving. She trusted her mother to lead the way. At last, they found a watering hole. Amara drank deeply and cooled her body. The herd rested together in the shade. Moments like this were very important. Amara began to understand the importance of family. The herd protected each other at all times. They communicated with sounds and movements. Amara learned how to be part of the group. One day, a storm rolled across the sky. Thunder roared and lightning flashed. Amara felt scared and stayed close to her mother. The herd stayed calm and waited for it to pass. After the storm, the land looked fresh and green. New plants began to grow everywhere. Amara enjoyed the soft grass under her feet. The world felt full of life again. As Amara grew older, she became more independent. She started exploring short distances from the herd. She always returned quickly to safety. Her confidence grew each day. Amara learned how to use her trunk skillfully. She picked up leaves and branches. She sprayed water over her body. Her trunk became her most useful tool. The herd moved together across different landscapes. They walked through forests and other plains. Amara followed the paths the elders knew. These journeys taught her survival skills. One day, Amara met a group of giraffes. They stood tall and watched quietly. Amara was curious but respectful. She learned to share space with other animals. If you're enjoying the story thus far, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may be alerted of our next stories. At night, the herd rested under the stars. Amara listened to the sounds of the wild. She felt safe, surrounded by her family. The night sky was calm and beautiful. As seasons changed, Amara adapted to new conditions. She learned where food was plentiful. She remembered the best paths to follow. Her memory became stronger with time. Amara grew into a strong young elephant. She helped guide younger calves. She protected them when danger was near. She was becoming an important member of the herd. One day the herd sensed danger nearby. A group of lions was resting close by. The adults formed a circle around the young. Amara stood bravely with them. The lions watched but did not attack. The herd remained strong and united. Amara learned the power of teamwork. Together they were safe. During long walks, Amara helped others. She stayed close to the younger elephants. She showed them how to find food. She was learning to lead. The herd reached a river during their journey. Amara stepped carefully into the water. She felt the cool current around her legs. Crossing rivers was always exciting. On the other side, the land was rich and green. Amara enjoyed fresh plants and shade. The herd rested and regained energy. Life felt peaceful in this place. Amara remembered all she had learned. She understood the rhythm of nature. She respected the land and its changes. She felt connected to the environment. As years passed, Amara became wiser. She recognized familiar paths and places. She guided the herd during travels. Others trusted her knowledge. Young calves looked up to Amara. She played with them and kept them safe. She shared her experiences with them. She was now a role model. One day, the herd returned to Amara's birthplace. She recognized the familiar land. Memories of her early days returned. She felt proud of her journey. Amara stood beside her mother once again. They walked together as equals. Their bond remained strong. Time had changed them both. The savannah continued to change with the seasons. Amara adapted to every new challenge. She remained calm and strong. Her experience guided her. The herd depended on Amara's leadership. She made careful decisions. She protected the group She ensured their survival. Amara taught the younger elephants everything she knew. She showed them how to find water. She explained the importance of staying together. Her lessons shaped their future. At sunset, the herd walked slowly across the plains. The sky turned orange and gold. Amara felt peaceful and content. It was a beautiful end to the day. The sounds of the savannah filled the air. Birds, insects, and distant animals could be heard. Amara listened carefully. She felt at home in the wild. Amara lived a full and meaningful life. She had learned from the herd and her surroundings. She had grown from a small calf into a wise leader. Her journey was complete. The next generations of elephants continued the journey. They followed the paths Amara had shown. They remembered her lessons. Her legacy lived on. The African savanna remained vast and beautiful. Elephants like Amara played an important role. They shaped the land and supported life. Their story continues every day. Amara's life showed the importance of family and strength. She taught others how to survive and care for one another. Her story is one of courage and wisdom, and it will always be remembered. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, you may assist many learners from all over the world to improve their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next story.